Mr. Shantaram Naik has alleged that the land where Defence Ministry has proposed and the state government has agreed to give the land in Kepe constituency for Defence Expo. He has alleged that prime land in Goa is being given for defence purpose or whatever. I want to remind him one simple thing first, that we are giving government to government land, like the government land which is in possession of Industrial Development Corporation, GIDC, Goa Industrial Development Corporation, is being given on temporary basis for Defence Expo. And this land which infrastructure will be created is purely makeshift infrastructure. This expo will bring Goa to national importance as far as defense exposition is concerned. We will get a lot of tourists in that particular period, that is in the month of March, where we don't see a lot of tourists coming into Goa, especially Indians. This Defence Expo will bring at least 2 lakh Indian tourists coming into Goa for this exposition.